Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make pepper sauce. We need onion, chili pepper. I use chili pepper because I don't have Cameroon pepper at home. We need spring onion. We need ginger, garlic. We need ginseng. This is ginseng from Cameroon. In here we have 4 different type of spices: country onion, pepper, 4 corner spice, and white pepper. I'm gonna prepare all these ingredients and blend them together. I'm gonna blend all these off camera, so see you in a minute. Here is the blended spices. I'm gonna pour in the pot. I'm gonna let it cook for a while, then I will add in the seasoning cubes and salt and let it cook for 10 minutes until the water is completely dry. Seems to follow like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to love? I'm gonna add 1 seasoning cubes and a teaspoon of salt. Then I will let it cook again for a while. As you can see, it's almost done, so I'm gonna add in vegetable oil. I added a lot of oil because I don't want the pepper to be too hot. I will let it steam again for 3 minutes. Pepper sauce is ready, so I'm gonna let it cool down and I will transfer it into the bowl and save it in the fridge. It can be saved for 2 weeks. If you want it to last longer, you put it in the freezer. So I'm gonna transfer the pepper sauce in here. Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it bleed for you, cry for you. Oh,
seems to follow like a shadow dark and cold to the touch. Say not to let go.
This is the end of this video, guys. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.